Hello everybody. Today's video, I wanted to have a little bit of fun. This is a game, you see that? That's something called Chow Crown. Essentially a game where you have food on a crown and you have to eat it. But I didn't want to do just that. And of course, I didn't want to do it alone. Hey! To sort of show the kids how to earn their crown, right guys? We are not going to just shove marshmallows and strawberries on it like it says to. Oh no, what are we doing?
Making rocky roads. And then we're going to use that to stick on the crown.
Yeah, and they're going to do it.
Yeah. Why not you?
Because I do this all the time.
Okay.
Kids are going to be making Rocky Road, which is a super simple dessert. Very naughty sort of chunks where you can put anything in it. Biscuits, raisins, popcorn, honeycomb, anything, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And that's what you guys are doing?
Yeah.
In fact, I see a few ingredients behind you. Should we get going?
Yeah.
The basics of a Rocky Road are 3 key ingredients. You've got your chocolate. This is some good quality dark chocolate. This is a block of butter. We need about 1/3 of that. You need some golden syrup. If you can't get this, use corn syrup. This just helps to loosen it up a little bit. And the rest is kind of like additives, anything you want, so that when you slice it, you get different colors and textures. All right, so we ready to do this?
Yes.
Let's go.
Ow. So 1/3 is roughly
About there.
here.
Yeah. Well, we want about 100
and here.
Very good, Phoebe.
Wait, I've been learning this at school for the past month.
Take out the wrapper.
Do we need all of them?
Yeah. You don't even need to wear them out. You enjoying that?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
And next up, the golden syrup. Phoebes, I want you to give 3 good splodges of the golden syrup. Okay, I'll tell you what a splodge is. 1 splodge, 2 splodges, 3. Nice.
It's golden.
Guys, can you break it up into chunks and put small chunks into little pieces that
I'm
come
going
in?
to do it into 2s.
Okay.
That's the way.
So we're only doing that because we're going to melt it, and obviously smaller chocolate pieces will help it break down a bit quicker. All right, here we go. The chocolate, golden syrup and butter just sat there. What is that in your hand?
Scissors.
And what is that in your hand?
A highlighter.
Nice.
Scented as a raspberry.
Right. Why is it actually scented as a raspberry?
Yeah.
It's a pen that smells of a raspberry. Why didn't we have that at my school? All right, so let's get this out of the way for the time being. It's all lined up and ready, but our dish that needs, this is basically like a 20 centimeter square tin. We're gonna line it. So you're gonna be pen and you're gonna be scissors. Good work. I love it when it's free labour, don't you? Huh? So we're gonna put this in the microwave. You wanna do it? It's heavy. All right, so I want you to do it, put about 3 minutes on there.
No.
What's that one? Press it 6 times.
2, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
All right. Every 30 seconds, this is maths for you. Every 30 seconds, look at it, open the door, and give it a spoon. Give it a stir.
Phoebe's doing good.
Phoebe's what?
Doing good.
She is doing good, isn't she? Right. For the first few 30-second blasts, it's not going to get too hot, but it will suddenly go, ah! I love how you're right there next to like a can of Heineken. I think this is an alcoholic-free one though that we got with our shopping, but today's video is sponsored by Heineken and children. Sorry.
There's still a few lumps, so I reckon about 30 more seconds.
Okay. Right, you have to lick the spoon.
Can I?
Yeah, of course you can. I knew you wouldn't.
She would let you down.
I want to try it.
Quick then. Do it over the bowl. No, he just like painted a chin. Right, kids, if you're going to take over for me one day, right, I want you to learn from me, okay? Watch. So what we've got right here now, we've got a voluptuous, delicious chocolate drenched lake mixture right in there. And we're going to load it. We're going to fill it. We're going to crank it up with fillings of our choice. It's going to be stonking. All right? That's how you do it.
Can I try?
Yes.
It's going to be stonking. It's going to be amazing. The delicious chocolate smooth lake from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Look at that. It's so nice. It's stonking. What do you think?
And that is where the rest of our fillings come in. Are you ready for this, guys?
Yes, I am.
So we know we want to use all of the biscuits, so they go in first. Oh yeah, crumbs and all. Maltesers go in now. They give off a really cool effect once they're sliced in half.
We gotta have a taste test.
What, Maltesers?
Yeah.
They're Maltesers.
Yeah, just in case they're poisoned.
I'm going to do the cool thing with it.
Oh my god, how did you do that?
Dad's skills. Can we get some in there? There we go. Oh, look at that. And you can see how when they're sliced...
It's like on space.
Space?
Like on something. Stars, planets,
It's going to look good. It's going to look good.
and stardust.
So now... Whoa, that's enough, that's enough. Wow. Okay, so now you need to carefully stir the chocolate into all of those ingredients. What is that?
What is Mrs. Barry
Oh, look at
gonna
this.
say?
What is Mrs. Barry going to say?
I have no idea.
Well, she's gone now, so it doesn't matter. Alright, look at that. In it goes then. So this is going right in there. Make sure it's evenly spread out. Get every single bit out of that bowl.
Oh, that looks so good.
Make sure it's squished down a teeny bit, but spread it out first. Oh, look at that.
If you make it, probably don't add too much marshmallows.
Okay. There it goes. In it goes. Firm it up. Bye. Hey! Alright, how long has that been?
An hour and a half.
It has. In that time, they've played some Mario Kart and I've built the crown.
Ta-da!
Oh, yeah! Check that out.
That is rock solid.
That is solid. Ah, you see that?
Yeah.
Does that look good?
Yeah, I want to eat it.
Here's the last piece. Popcorn, Maltesers, biscuits. Yes. I don't think this is going to work on the crown. We've made Rocky Road, but it's a little bit like this. Do you want that on your face?
No.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Right, whilst they're doing that, let me show you the crown. So this is basically it. It is a crown with like a little insert thing to make it look more crown-like. It's got these arms that hang. It's got forks that hang too, and then you stick things on it. I don't think that these Rocky Roads are going to fit on there. We'll find out. Oh, actually. Well, it might do it. Just to balance out the healthiness and the kids are getting themselves a drink, we're going to get some strawberries. Oh, it's touching my face, look. Ah,
You got a chocolate.
is that on level?
You got a chocolatey ear.
Is it all? It's touching me. It's on my back. Something's on my back.
It's a strawberry.
I feel like Doc Brown in Back to the Future. Guys, get that reference?
No.
Great. Go. Oh, it's touching my back. Why is this so hard?
It's all stuck.
Oh, it's on my ear. Something just rolled off.
It was a strawberry.
I didn't get any, it fell off. Is this normal?
See.
Go. I can't hold the base. Just stay still. You can't stay still, that's the game. Try and get it then.
I can't.
Cinderella, you shall go to the ball. Oh, there you go. Your head is the perfect size for it.
I can't do it. It's so hard.
I think we'll try it with lighter ingredients. I've got some pineapple. Should we try that?
Get pineapple.
Yeah, healthy. Ah, I nearly had that one.
It's impossible.
It's so hard.
Just eat the pineapple.
That sounds like such a good idea right now. Do you know what? The sort of person who'd be able to do this, Mrs. Barry. She'll come back up in a minute from her breakfast with her friends and she'll smash this.
What do you look like?
What you're going to look like in a minute. Hey!
Oh my gosh, look at the state of your back.
What? What's wrong with my back?
Pineapple on your back.
It's up my nose!
It's very rubbing all over the back of your t-shirt.
Yeah, it doesn't feel nice. Why am I doing this?
This is for Mummy.
Oh, that was on my note. Oh.
Oh, look at the state of you. You've got chocolate all over your ear.
What, still?
Pineapple in your hair.
Oh, that's where it's from, because
Back
it...
of your t-shirt.
Oh.
Oh.
Right, ready?
Oh no. Can we just get
Look, can we just get that as a moment right there?
No.
Look at that.
No.
That is beautiful.
I got it. Ah. No, it was on the tip of me. Ah, that was all on my face.
This is a silly game.
Oh, this looks amazing.
It's got Maltesers in. And caramel flavoured popcorn.
Mmm.
And marshmallows.
Well, I don't like this at all. It's annoying, and I just snapped one of the arms off.
Well, we like just watching you try and do it.
Great, thanks while you eat the food. Brilliant. So there we go. But we showed you how to make some awesome Rocky Road. Do try it out. They absolutely loved it.
Yeah.
You had breakfast?
Very nice. Breakfast and pudding.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So a little bit of fun, guys, with the kids. See you next time.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
Has it got any pineapple on the back of there?
I feel like it.
Yeah.
Feels
There you go. I broke an arm. It's okay. It's probably good for a little party game, but we couldn't even get one. I don't know. That's just on your back.